Fawn Jog Vlog.
This is the Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Crater. Just got in yesterday. Pretty cool shoe. Part of the Move to Zero campaign from Nike. That's zero carbon waste, zero waste in general. And also the Mission to Mars space hippie aesthetic. This is supposed to be as though astronauts living on Mars were able to build Nike shoes with the components they had available. And so you get this futuristic, kind of cyberpunk vibe. These are called Crater because of the Crater midsole. Recycled material, you'll see a lot of little flecks in it. Comfortable enough, it's akin to Air. But quite telling that Jordan Brand releases a shoe called Crater on 9/11. The upper is made out of a recycled polyester, also with some flecks in it. It's not a true grayish black. There's also some black synthetic suede, which can make reading the Air Jordan branding a little tough. Notably, the top is chopped to expose foam. I wasn't quite sure how I felt about this. It's noticeable, but it's also an off-white color that in some ways fits with the rest of the aesthetic. There's also some red wire stitching around the heel cup. This transforms the otherwise muted styling to something more eye-catching. The supplied black shoelaces have reddish aglets, which will match this red wiring. But if you want to go even flashier, they have supplied you with matching red laces. And yeah, I'm using the term red here because I'm not quite sure what you'd call this. It's a very vibrant, bright red. The outsole has quite the showy, trash-embedded, upcycled look about it. It's a somewhat translucent gum with these little flecks of who knows what. Recycled Mountain Dew bottles. This is a performance sneaker in the sense that would you actually play basketball today in Air Jordan 1s? Probably not so much. I got these because I do a lot of stand-up in my Vandal High, and it's not easy. They look great. This has a similar look about it, but those Vandals are pre-air. It's like walking on rocks for an hour. But the Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Crater is way more comfortable to be standing around in, thanks to the full-length Zoom Air cushioning. I can see you walking around town in these. Maybe Jordan shoes just really aren't all that rare. This is my first pair of Air Jordans. I know they're quite prolific. It's, oh hey, now we got a different color for this. I'm not so excited about that. I'm interested in these because of a unique design mechanic. It's a futuristic look in a different kind of future than maybe we had our minds on. I do have some qualms with lacing these up. There are so many eyelets, it's gonna take you an hour. You barely have enough lace to get the job done if you use every eyelet. And you're gonna need to unlace much of the top to slide these bad boys on. But once on, you have something of a secure, old school meets the future design that's comfortable enough to be walking around in. So what are your guys' thoughts on the Air Jordan High Zoom Crater? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, maybe I have some other shoes that I haven't made a video on yet that perhaps you'd like to hear some thoughts on. Let me know.
Thank you for watching my son's YouTube station. It's not for everyone, but he tries. Maybe if you bought some merch below, he'll eventually get good at the YouTubing.